Hello, everyone, and happy Friday. Today, I'm here at Teach Me Code Institute, and I have with me in the live stream Leontin. Hi, Leontin.
Hello, hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good and I'm excited for today's project.
Me too. So basically, what happened is I have never finished a book. Like I've never read a book completely. So I was in this event this week, and there was this famous author, and he was talking about his books, and he was talking about like building joy like a system. And at a moment, it hit me like, why have I never read a single book, and why am I the last person to know he existed? So because of that, I decided let's build a habit tracker where I can track my reading process and I can read more and it keeps me motivated to read more books. So I will do it. What do you think?
I think that's a good idea, yeah.
Let's do it. Ta-ta-da. So you can see my screen, I suppose. Nope. Okay.
Yeah.
So as normal, I will start with the plan mode. I want to create a habit tracker web app where I can track my where I can add habits like reading. What other habits do people have? Sleeping early, maybe drinking more water, etc. And I want when I open the app to see a today like UI today check-ins where I can check if I have read or drank water, etc. Okay, I want to have streaks, but also because I know for a fact that I won't be like the best person in this, so I don't want it to be like harsh. To be harsh in terms. So if I miss one day, I don't want to be punished.
Yeah, it's kind of like Duolingo, it can freeze your streak.
Exactly. Tell me more of what I can do with this. Let's see. Let's see what Biela would tell me. Okay. So different habit types: daily, weekly, custom, frequency, daily. Uh, Basically, it's asking me more questions to understand more about the web app that I want to create. So it has uh, like a bigger context or more context of what I want to build. So it builds it in the best way. That's in a way that's more about like the needs that I have.
Yeah,
Habit
more
categories,
personalized.
100%. Habit categories are health could be a thing. Actually, all. Okay, no, I'm gonna write them. Health, productivity, and personal growth. Cool. Flexible streak definitions. Maybe 2 days. 2 days is enough. 2 grace days. How much does Duolingo have?
I don't know, I think it has by default like 1 day, but you can purchase more or something like that.
Ah, they make you purchase.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then, where were we? Habit intensity level. Did a little, did a lot. No need for intensity level. Any level counts. Calendar view. Yes. Also as stats, progress charts, and achievement badges. Yes. Visual streak counters, da da da. Yes, also visual streaks. Smart features, habit suggestions based on your goals, reminder notifications, weekly, monthly reflection prompt, habit linking. No. Personalization, custom habits, da da da. No, this is enough, I think. Do you want this to be purely personal? I didn't have time to read. Yes, I want it to be personal. Would you like? I think we should start doing one thing, like exactly how there's like paid apps for things. Like instead of me, because I actually subscribed for 1 year to a habit tracker, and I think it ends next year. I don't know when, but I never used it. But I'm on the other hand, like I'm very excited to use this one because I've built it. So maybe we need to start doing things. No, I'm not going to put any passwords. that's like that's in the past. The past is in the past. Let's see. So daily habits. Like it's gonna keep asking me questions, and interested. Proceed. How do I say, like, implement? Let's see what it does. If you guys have any questions, please write us in the comment, except for my password, my email, or my passport actually. I love how it's the same comments.
Yeah.
Yeah. That shows your email, shows your passport. Okay. So now it's creating the web app. So, how was last week? What did we have? What did we build on Biela
Last week.
this week, last week?
Oh, this week. Yeah, we did work on work on fixing a few bugs, and we work on implementing new features that will come up soon. So
Yeah, well, I know the features and I know that's going to be pretty exciting.
yeah,
For us, Dubai team, we like, actually, and your team as well. So we have, as you know from last week's live stream, we didn't have it on Friday because we had it on Thursday because we had the reopening of Teach Me Code Institute, which is where I'm at right now, where we're going to be hosting and teaching AI courses such as vibe coding with Biela.dev. I would encourage everyone to take these courses. They're going to be pretty amazing, and I cannot wait till we start actually like hosting these courses because they're going to be good. I know for a fact, like me personally, I would benefit from them. So we're going to be having AI content creation course, vibe coding course, prompt engineering course, which I think is like it's the core course, but I think it's going to be helpful for like everything in AI basically, if you know how to prompt it. So how you know how to prompt whether whichever was the tool. Okay, so now Biela's writing the code.
it should be done any moment now.
Yes. Okay, I think it's done. Let's see the preview. Wait, let me do it full screen. So today's check-in, health, drink, ta ta ta. Okay, so I never planned it this way. To choose I want to choose the habit first, then to have this. But I think, yeah, this is the demo. This is the calendar, stats, batches. Cool. Wait, let me add a habit. Um, read 20 pages a day. But that's not, yeah, okay. Add a habit. So is it there? Yes. Okay, so I like it, but um, I want to have I want to choose from a list of, like, this is how lazy I am. Habits, not to, with the ability to add what does not exist already. Um, in today's check-in, we don't have to categorize. Yeah, you're right. Like it doesn't have to be categorized. Like in health, you drink, you exercise, in productivity, blah blah blah. So you just track all the habits.
Yeah, we should. I think a tag would be useful, so we will know that this habit is part of the productivity group or category. But
Yeah, exactly. So I told it to add a tag next to the habit, which refers to the category, and um, stats will be. Wait, what do we add here? Oh no, in today's check-ins, in today's check-in, also add the latest badges or streaks on top. I think it would be nice. Let's go back to the comments.
the studio looks perfect. Yeah, it really does.
Would you still be able to continue if you skip a section? What does he mean?
Uh,
Also, they're talking,
Alex,
guys. Talk to us.
I
So
think he's
basically,
talking about the courses.
oh yeah, you can skip a section if you're talking about the courses. But basically, each course is like 9 hours, so don't skip it. It's a good course.
Yeah, you might skip some very useful information. And
Someone is suggesting to add some earn points after you complete one habit to motivate you. Yeah, but how do you complete a habit if you need something to happen? Like, if I want to read something, then I want to read it every day for the rest of my life, no?
yeah, but you can. Well, since the habit is like read 20 pages a day, you have to basically check manually to mark manually the habit as done.
Oh, maybe we can earn points like at for example 60 or 30 daily streaks. So he was saying maybe would you be able to continue if you skip a section in terms of a prompt.
Oh,
Anyway, Biela has finished. So now these are the edits. So as we said, we will have the latest badges, the active tweaks, and the today's progress. My habits are this. Okay, so it added the tags, the personal growth, health, blah blah blah. Plan tomorrow. So you see how it reflected. So there's no way I'm drinking 8 glass of water, exercise for one day. So the streaks are here. How do I get the badges? Let's see. So now I have unlocked two badges. Getting started, which is this one, well-rounded, have habits in all three categories. Okay, let's do something else. Um, let's put some image. Where do you want to put it? See what do you have here? What do you have? Okay, graphic. What do we have? Reading graphic icon. Let's see. Okay, this is nice. I'm going to use this one. So I'll copy the image link, I'll paste it here. Then I will go here. Um, Wait, there is something that I haven't checked. Ah, this is the list. Okay. So, um, let's do one thing. Use this, create a badge for reading, for the reading, because this is my main focus for the reading habit. Uh, and wait, and what? Ah, and use this icon and use this icon. So what I've done is I went to the Getty Images built-in library. I chose an icon that refers to reading, and I liked it, and pasted the link inside Biela. Told Biela to create a badge just to use this image basically. But let's see what else we can do. So it should go here. What's happening with that?
It's still
So
not done.
I okay. So if we go here, it's not done. Let's again. I'm going to edit the detail rolling. Okay. Um, I'm using okay. I'm using this as an achievement. Of course, I already know it. As an achievement badge. Okay. Add stars. Add a star to the visual. Okay. Nice. So I have to save it to the library. Then save, import. Okay. Then use a project. Use this one. The NG. What did they call it? Bookworm beginner. Bookworm beginner. Beginner batch. So, do you read? I'm
Of
being
course.
curious. Really? I haven't read a book in my entire life, and I don't feel proud about it.
Well, I do like to read. I don't have enough time to do it lately, but yeah, I do like to read. I
What's your
have.
favorite?
Sorry?
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Richest Man in Babylon.
Okay, would you recommend to someone who hasn't read anything?
Uh,
Some blogs here and there.
sure. Yeah, that's a good book to start if you want to. If you're, yeah, it's a good book to start in general.
Nice. Basically, like the one that I'm referring to in the beginning. I attended a panel talk to Mo Gaudat. I'm not sure if you're familiar with him, and he was so good that I'm like, how I have, like, how can I not, like, I didn't know like he was an author. I knew he existed. I didn't know he had books. So I offered. Amazon. I'm like, I'm gonna buy these books. Then I thought like, but I never finished the book. I never read something, so I stopped. But no, I like with this, I'm going to buy the books. I'm going to read. Anyway, so again, let's see the badges. Yes, right.
It is there.
Okay. So what do we have? What else do we have? An option to freeze?
Um, that should be done automatically, I think, because we don't usually even realize that we forgot to do something like a task. So
Yeah, but no, there isn't. No, no, there isn't anything. Wait, wait, wait. Add an option to freeze for. Wait, let's do it like this. To freeze for 1 week or 2 weeks, but to freeze 1 week, you have to pass. Um, what's that? I want something fun. They have to pass a hard level of snake game. Okay, that
okay,
will pop up. And please, I'm not sure if this can happen. I'm thinking stuff, two things at once, but let's make fun. To freeze 2 weeks, we have the user has to pass a very hard level. No, no, this way. Normal level, a very hard level of snake game. Write a funny statement on top. You can use as much as you want. You only need to pass this. Let's see. It's gonna be nice.
I'm curious how it will look.
Me too, to be honest, but I think it's gonna be nice.
Yeah,
I don't know what's W, but hi, Lori. Let's- I think for the next one also we need to have a quote on top, like a motivational quote, but it has to be as equally funny and motivational. But let's see if this one works. If it does, then I'm a genius and it's a good idea. And Biela is good, to be honest. Oh, it means win. Okay. It also means wow wow. I mean,
I did
it's
not
almost
expect
9
that.
p.m. on a Friday. I'm not sure where I'm getting my energy from, but it's there. From your experience, does this mean that the snake game is being created? Okay.
I think that answered your question.
Oh, listen. Okay. So I have it freeze challenge. It made it. You can freeze as much as you want. You only need to pass this game. No free passes here. Earn your break. Nice. 1 week. Normal difficulty. Score 840. Let's see. Start game. No. Okay, I'll make it fun today. One more prompt. Dare to try. Okay. So let's Um, I went back to the plan mode. I want to make the snake game functional. Let's see. But it can be functional, right?
Yeah. But I think there is something missing. That's
Okay,
why it did not work.
let's see. So it appears that it already has most of the core functionalities built in. Let me help you understand why it currently. Da, da, da. What might need attention? Is the snake moving at the right pace for both difficulties? No, the snake game when I hit start. What was the button?
Start game.
Start. Yes, start game buttons. It does not work. Analyze the issue. Okay. Issue. It's the game interval should be created when the okay. Okay. Fix it. And, and, and I, there's a fly there. It's bugging me. So now it's fixing the issue. Okay, that was fast. Wait. Still, George, if you're watching, can you help? I know George would be like, yeah, just tell it to make this MD file. It would be okay.
Try
Um,
again to go to the normal level.
maybe I need to deploy. Wait.
Okay.
To normal.
And
Okay.
try using the arrows.
No, didn't work. No, the arrows are doing this. Mm-mm.
Yeah.
But we didn't, to be honest, we didn't check it. Fix the key changes I made to resolve the snake game. Proper loop management, data, okay. Improved state handling, better food generation, okay. So when you click it, da, 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 okay. I will see. Let's see the live app first. Maybe this is too hard to implement, but it's a cool idea. I'm gonna get yeah. George. So basically, I will loop George in. So here we created this challenge. If they want to freeze the habit, they can go do one, like they can freeze for 1 week for a normal difficulty snake game, or they can freeze for 2 weeks, but it's gonna be very hard. So when we're doing this, we're starting the game, it's not doing anything. I mean, we've asked Biela in the plan mode, and it said something. Then I said like fix it and implement, but it's still not working. So what do we do? So,
Hello.
Hello,
I
hello.
heard my name, so I
Yeah.
thought I would jump in. Okay, so what do we do? Mainly, we just ask Biela to. So, let's
Okay.
think of a prompt. Let's explain Biela what is happening, and let's explain to
No,
it
no,
what
wait,
should
wait, wait, wait. It worked.
perfect.
Ta-da! Yeah, but hi, George. We saw your face.
You know
It's
what? I
work.
will show you something real cool. I will send you a link in 1 minute. It's connected to the snake game you showed me right now. But give me one minute. I will
Okay,
disappear and I will come back.
it's okay. I will play until you come back. But again, wait. So this four, one, two, three. Now I can like I started cheating. Like I haven't started reading and I already am cheated. I think I fixed up here. I'm gonna start the harder level.
Oh, nice.
Ah, there's a give
So you
up.
basically have obstacles there.
Yes,
And moving faster.
it's moving too fast.
Well, it is a very hard level, so.
Yeah, and you need to score 15. Ooh. Shit. Okay. So this is nice. I'm going to deploy it. See, you can make your own apps. Like I'm genuinely proud of this. Like I can make my own habit tracker and I can make my own obstacles, not to I don't know, not to be lazy. Okay. So what else do we need? Um, mini stats are nice. Wait. Challenge. Wait, I'll go to the town mode. I want so far to challenge them have us comparing so only there with and but therefore about somewhere my name and it's like we need German. Okay, Jordan. One moment. Okay. So, oh look, George sent me this. Nice, George. In the middle of work, you're making me not working. Okay, so this is created in Bella as well. Oh, but it's hard.
No, but wait, you don't have to play it. It's playing alone.
Ah, seriously.
Yeah, it should
I've
play alone.
played,
If you refresh the page, it should play alone.
but I don't. But I am doing, no. What I was
Something
saying.
on my screen, it's working perfectly. I don't know why it doesn't work on your side.
No, it's working. And for me, I'm playing. Look,
Ah,
I
yeah,
was.
but you are you clicking right now or are you pressing any key?
Yes,
But you don't
yes.
have to. That's the thing. Stop pressing.
It plays alone.
Yeah, refresh the page and don't press anything.
Okay, I just did. Ah, you can make money out of YouTube for this.
Yeah, I know. That's why we
Just
made.
click record Flappy Bird for 3 hours. I'm sure that my nephew will watch it with the ads. Unskippable.
it.
Nice.
Yeah, and it's playing alone, and I think the record is
Good record.
9,000, almost 10,000 record.
So
It can die eventually, but
okay,
it's very hard.
not for a long time.
Yeah, and we
Okay.
also have Snake, and we also have another one. Look, I will send you.
I love how George jumped in.
Well,
Fun
it's very
fact.
addictive, right?
It's so nice. Yes.
Yes.
Wait. Let's see what. This also plays alone.
Yes, you have to click start.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. I'll make it rapid.
And I send you the snake also.
There is a snake, guys.
Yes. Just click start.
Okay.
And
But
you
why
can
did
change
you
the
do
speed.
this one? Like, I'm curious.
Below the start button, there is a selector, and you can choose a faster speed.
Yeah.
And
I
this
swear,
one is really addictive.
this will make so much money on YouTube if you just screen record this. Okay. Right. Can we, but actually it might be harder. Can we make something like the piano tiles?
Like what?
Like, do you know the game Piano Tiles?
Piano tiles. Let me search.
It,
Okay. I think it's a little more complicated because it requires some music, but we'll try. We can
yes.
try.
Let's do it, please, because if there's a piano tiles and it plays alone, I will not stop watching it.
Okay.
It's so
We
nice.
will build it, and if we succeed before this live finishes, I will send you the link. Okay,
Okay,
that's it. If you need me, just call me. I'm right here.
it's fine. Yalla, I'll go back to my habit flow. So as I was saying, first of all, thank you, George, for joining. So going back, I want to challenge a friend and have us comparing the results. So only share with one friend first. I don't know what I will say. Therefore, I have to add some. What was I writing? Somehow my name details and what else do you need from me? English has left the chat. So let's get this. It's nice to have some challenge. So no, this is a
No,
plan mode.
yeah.
Okay. So what kind of challenges do you want? Weekly habit completions. Habit completions and wait. Should it be time bound challenge? Yes. Overall. Hmm. Actually, it's an overall progress. Overall progress. What week? Okay. Beside name, what other details do we need to collect? Name and email is enough. That's it. That's enough. I want um, should users create account or keep it simple just really so keep it. But what should you compare? Current streaks. Compare streaks. Um, weekly competitions. And so basically everything that was mentioned. How do you want to share it with a friend? Generate a link, enter friend's code, generate a link. Should the friend need the same app or they can view results in the browser? they can view the results. Okay. Progress. How would it be different, like code wise, if if it's updating in real time um, or in a specific time?
Um, I think I think that the specific times means basically at every day at 6 p.m. for example, it will update and you will see only then the progress.
Okay.
But I think the real time would be easier basically.
Uh, Wait, when the challenge is completed, the one who loses will have a message that says, "What's? I need something that's offensive, but it's not offensive, like like as if you threw like a lasagna on someone's face. Like it's annoying, but it's not harmful. You get it?
Yeah, yeah.
So
You
when
should
the
say
challenge
that. Annoying but not offensive.
that says um, something okay, that's annoying, but is not offensive.
We can actually give it an example and it will come up with something similar.
If it's a tie, let them play the snake game. Whoever has the highest score wins. What do you think? I think it's good. Enough challenges. No?
Yeah.
Um, خلاص, I think I'm going to implement. It's funny that after I said implemented, I'm reading.
Well, you're still in the plan mode, so I don't think it's
Yee,
gonna implement. Oh yeah,
stupid.
it
Oh,
moved.
no, I did not. I know that. Okay. Okay. It is a hard game, I know. So, guys, if you have any ideas that you want us to build live, like, and if you want actually to be with us in the live stream, like next week, just write us or send us on Telegram or basically just reach out. We'll be there. We'll talk about it midweek next week and we can make it happen. We can like, stay together in a Friday night while Biela does the coding. I think what I said was too much. Okay. I think it's done.
Yep. Let's
Let's
see.
let's see how it changed. Okay. يلا preview. Okay. So it's the same, the same, the same. Where's the invitation? Can you spot it?
No, I have
How
no
it's like
idea.
user setup profile with name and I don't want. Wait, I refresh. Create a challenge, friends join the same link. A whole thing, like a lot of things have been done. Okay, where? Where? And why? I mean, is it there somewhere and we didn't see?
No,
Or
well, it does say the profile, but
has
I don't
been
see
done?
the profile setup or whatever. The profile component.
Let's see. Looking at the current implementation, I can see the issue. The friend challenge has been created, but there's no way to access it from the main interface because we created the main interface when we said it's going to be personal. But now we decided like that it's not personal. Okay, okay. Implement. Uh, implement. So now the main interface will be changed because I changed the plan before. Okay. Why are we talking about Nokia in the comments? Can you guys loop me in?
It was because of the Snake game. It was a
Okay.
very popular game on Nokia phones.
Okay. No, yes, I love that. Again, we're
The
trying
good old days.
good old days. Yep. Okay. And it's done. Okay, wait. So the challenge button, you set up your profile first. So I'm that. You guys needed to see my email, of course, isn't it? Friend's email. Okay. So now I have set up my profile, your profile. You can accept my challenge. Okay. This is how it looks. So we're going to compare the active streaks, you and me, longest streak, you and me, weekly rate, total completions, what I have done, what you have done. Okay. Progress updates in real time, challenge never ends, ongoing friendly competition. That's it. It's nice. Okay. Anything else you would like to add?
I was thinking about the frequency of a task. Like if you could have a daily task, but you could also have a task that you would need to do only once every 2 days or for something, for example, or once a week.
Okay. Maybe we can do it here. We can add an extra layer. For example, everything here is daily. When you click on it, oh, nice. This is not working. Oh, maybe. Oh, cool. So it's like too short. tell Biela, click where you are the button, uh, button, button, button check. Okay, it's not okay. So we have found something to fix. But yeah, I get your point. Like when we add a new habit, we should add like what how like click on the habit, then add an extra layer. For example, do this once a week, once a month, every
Yeah.
day, blah blah blah. Right.
And also the navigation, since there are like a lot of big buttons and the screen is a bit too small for them, it should change in that burger menu.
Yes, definitely. Okay. I don't have to even read. Okay. Yep. Nice. Okay, it's done. Uh, add an extra layer after choosing a habit to make um,
So set the
so set
frequency of the
set.
habit.
Also, an application to a burger menu. And this is done, then
But
so
did
what
the
happened?
min-
What?
did the menu change when you switched to the mobile view?
Like I'm sure it did, but it was responsive. Okay. So what habits would you track?
Um,
Mm-hmm.
that's a good question.
Lucky.
Saved by the bell.
Saved by the thing. Okay. Should I start?
No, press install first.
Now?
Yeah.
So yes, in the
Yeah.
mobile it has better than in the desktop on the other hand. That's it. Okay, let's have it full screen. So, um, exercise next. Okay, so it's a daily, weekly, 3 times, twice, once per week. Okay, okay, nice. Zero questions left. Okay, that's it. I think I think I'm able to read more books and stay on top of my own habits. I want to start. I want to add like I don't know, wake up early in the morning to have coffee, then come to work on time. But I don't know. See,
Take it one step at a time.
yes. Let's start with reading first.
Yeah.
So, okay, guys, we have our habit trackers. Um, we've built it in what less than 1 hour. It's a nice tracker. We've added the challenge. There was something good when you freeze. We added a snake game. If you want to test the tracker yourself, tell us in the comments or tell us in the Telegram channel. We can send you the project link. If you've enjoyed the episode or the podcast or the it's not a podcast, jeez. If you've enjoyed the live stream, then click like, subscribe, watch the previous ones, watch the next ones. Thank you very much. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weekends. Thank you, Leo. Have a
Thank
happy
you.
week. Bye bye.
Bye.